Hello guys, welcome to the channel Learn Think Right. In this video, we'll be seeing for loops in detail. Okay, how does it work? Why we need loop? We'll see. So if suppose you want to display numbers from 1 to 10 and you don't use loops, how will you display them? You will be writing printf statements 10 times. Okay, printf 1 or else like this 2 3 4 5. Okay, you have to write this 10 times, or else suppose you want to print a message hello 10 times, what will you do? You will write printf statement 10 times. So this becomes hectic and the length of the code becomes longer. So for this situation you need loops. Now I'll simply write a program for displaying 1 to 10 numbers. Void main, let us declare here variable int I for I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus, printf %d /n comma I. So what will be the output over here? First time i's value 1, 1 less than 10 condition true, printf 1. Again the cursor will go to next line because of /n. I's value becomes 2, 2 less than 10 condition true, display 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 9. Okay. Now next i's value becomes 10, 10 less than equals to 10 condition true. It displays 10. Next time i's value becomes 11, which is 11 less than equals to 10 condition fades. So the control will come out of the loop and this output you are going to get over here. Okay, 1 to 10 numbers. This was the simple example. Okay, now we'll see how to display the output in more rows and just we'll play with the loops. I'll show you. Suppose I want this output 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I want this output. Now how to write a program? Just I'll make you understand. How many rows are there? 4 rows, correct. And how many columns are there? 4 columns. So how many times we need to run outer loop and inner loop? Here we'll be using nested loops. So outer loop we are running 4 times and inner loop we are running again 4 times. So for that we need to take 2 loop variables I and j. Okay. So we'll first write outer for loop for I equals to 1, I less than or equals to 4, I plus plus. So this will run 4 times, but inner loop, just if you see, first time it is running for 1 time, second time for twice, third time for thrice, and fourth iteration it is running for the 4 times. Now I have to apply some condition over here to take that, to get that output. Okay, now j's value is 1 for the first iteration, but for the first iteration I want to run it only once. So i's value is the controller over there, less than or equals to I. I'll tell you how it runs. Printf %d comma, here we are displaying j's value. This was the inner for loop, and for the outer for loop we have to simply get the cursor to the next line, because after every inner loop execution we want to get the cursor to the next line. Now I'll show you how actually this runs. For the first iteration, i's value 1, condition becomes true, it comes inside. J is 1, then 1 less than or equals to 1, condition true. Then it displays 1. Okay, and again for next iteration 2 less than equals to 1, condition becomes false. The control comes here, it prints slash n, so cursor comes to the next line. Again next time i's value becomes 2 less than 4, condition true. It comes to the inner loop. J's value again starts with 1. Now i's value is 2. 1 less than or equals to 2, condition true. It prints 1. Okay. Again j plus plus, j's value becomes 2 now. 2 less than or equals to 2, condition true. It prints j. Okay. Again j plus plus, j's value becomes 3 now, but 3 less than or equals to 2, condition fails. So that is why again the control goes to the outer for loop and the cursor comes over here. Again for the next time i's value becomes 3. So here this loop will get run for the 3 times because the loop starts with 1 and it is done up to 3 iterations. So 1 to 3, it will display 1 2 3. Again when j's value becomes 4 less than 3, condition becomes false. The control will come to the outer for loop. It will display slash in that. The cursor comes to next line. Again it will print. Next time i's value becomes 4. So 4 less than 4. It will display up to 4. Again when the condition is false, cursor will come to next line. Control goes here. But this time i's value becomes 5. Okay. And 5 less than or equals to 4. This condition fails. So that is why the loop will not execute further and the program will end over here. So this was all about the nested loop program to get this output. Okay. Now if suppose you want to get this output, 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars. Okay. For this, how to write the program now? Last time we displayed value of j. Now this time we have to simply display star. Before that I will tell you what output you are going to get if you are displaying value of I over here. Okay. So for the first time i's value was 1. For the second iteration, okay, this loop is going to execute it for 2 times, but i's value remains 1 only. So 1. Next time 2, 2, 2. Next time i's value 3, 3, 3. Next i's value 4. Okay. Number of times the loop is getting executed will be the same, but you are getting the output in different formats. Now to display star, what to do? Simply remove this %d, remove this I. Simply write star over there. Okay. And you are going to get this output. Now I hope you understood how the loops flow and how the code is executed. Hope to see you in upcoming videos. Till then, subscribe the channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.